Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, it's my weekly work in progress finished object video. And I do this on my phone. I better do it quick because I'm going to run out of battery. Otherwise, I'm redoing this video. Alright, so quickly, let's get with the finished items. The hat. The bag. Here it is. The Bag O' Day hat for the week. I don't know if this fits me very well, but you know, it's got the ear flaps, but it had pom-poms on the top and the bottom, and I don't really do pom-poms that much, so I just did little chains. This might be a little small on me. Do that. Alright, I also finished. This was an almost finished. It is not finished. The scarf. And then I added the little black trim around it. Oh, but it's not quite finished. I forgot. I gotta sew in the ends. So I gotta sew in the ends for that. But for the most part, it's finished. And if you've seen, either last video or be two videos, I did a Caron cakes review, and I did a little pattern. I did this little pattern to show how to make the domino square. But by odd chance, I forgot. I didn't realize I already did a domino pattern. I did a dishcloth, and it was also this pattern. But this one's slightly different than the one I initially did. Kind of altered it to use slip stitches instead of single crochets in some spots. So, but there's an obvious wrong side and a right side. So yeah, this was with the Caron cakes. So that is that for that. But while I still had the Caron cakes out, I did start a new project with it. It's one of them projects that I kind of wanted to do. Somebody at the church brought, they had like, you know, like these little, I can't think what they're called, the Beanie Baby type dolls, but they made like a pillow and a little, looks like a sleeping bag and a little head for it. It was cute, so I thought you could probably crochet one. That's what I started with this. So I got the pillow part done for the doll. Oh, turning around. Pillow part. This is going to be the back part of like the little sleeping bag, and then I'll keep going and I'll flip it around, join it, and then it'll be the front. It'll be cute. Oh yeah, there is a storm starting while I was recording this video, so you might hear some thunder or something in the background. Alright, trying to do this quickly. I think I wanted to work on every project that I had. There are some projects I didn't touch, but I did touch every project that I had going on. Alright, I'm going to take the hat off. It's hot. I'm like, it's too hot to wear the hat. Okay, oh, the slippers. I got one slipper done. This was, this is like, trying to make it a size 10 men's hat. This is my famous, I should say famous, it's one popular slipper pattern. I'm going to have to put out, I did alter it so I made it bigger, so I should probably get that out there because I've been asked many times how to make it bigger. I made it bigger. So the first one's done, and I got the second one started. Because that's what you're supposed to do with stuff like socks, mittens, probably anything you make two of. When you finish one, you start the next one right away. Speaking of slippers. Oh. I did, in the process, I'm starting to frog this one slipper, and then just started trying a different design for a slipper. Probably a simpler one. If it works out, maybe I'll try to make a pattern for that, but it's be kind of thick. This is probably going to be big. Yeah, I'll probably make this for my son. Let's see, that is it for slippers right now. So this blanket that I haven't worked on in a while, I did work a little bit on it. I think I got like another row of red in. currently working on the red. As soon as I figure out where I left off. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I've been kind of like going, this is any which way single crochet with a big hook blanket, so it'll go all over the place and use up all my scraps when it's all said and done, and who knows how big this is gonna get. This might be a good stash buster blanket, and it could use as much as I could make this. This could be a very big, end up being a very big blanket, but no, I did work like a little bit on that. Alright, I lied. I think there was one other project I didn't touch. Hold on, right back. I didn't touch this one yet, but hey! I got this. I did not work on this one at all. But I'll try to work a little bit on this one, because I did want to start working. I kind of want to do at least a little bit on every project, and I guess I lied. I didn't work on this one. This could be my thumbnail, and it'll say I lied. Don't be surprised if you see I lied in the thumbnail. That's what I'm thinking of. Oh man, I got a mess here. Okay, well here's another project I'd started because things were making Thursday. Oh yeah, thunder. Like this. I'm not sure if you're hearing that. But okay, I should hurry up because I might run out of battery. I started this one thinking that things were making Thursday was granny squares, and it turned out to be Tunisian crochet. So I started it and then it stopped. But then I worked a little bit. I did a little bit on it. So, but for the most part, this project will probably, again, be one of those that hardly gets worked on until it gets closer. I think when things we're making Thursday gets to be either a wearable, or when the granny square comes up in August, then we're back on this one. Okay. Wander. All right. I actually worked. I did a couple rows on this shawl because I brought it with me to church while the kids are in Sunday school. And oh no. Ooh, that's what I hate about knitting. Okay, crisis averted. That would have been disastrous. That would have been sad. But yeah, I think I did more of the red in this one. This will be pretty when it's done. It'll be pretty. So I did work a little bit on that. Ooh, I just saw lightning. Alright, okay. Oh, the sock. Ooh, more thunder. Did one row on this one, but we did work on it. Alright. Oh, and speaking of the things we're making Thursday, I know I should usually do it. I'm not doing a separate video for things we're making Thursday. Put that back. But this is the Tunisian crochet project. If you've seen this, it's going to be a hat. Like I said, I did learn. Okay, I'm showing you the right side. But this is the band part of it, and that's okay. Yeah, this is the right side, and the band part of it, I work in the back of the loop instead of the front. So that way, when you fold it over, when you fold it over, the band looks like it's on the right side also. With the hat. Well, there's a little tail with this project today. I take this to work on it during break, and I took this project up. Okay, I took it up with me to. There's on the second floor. There's a balcony that I guess I was going to work on the balcony, but it was very windy, and it took my ball and it rolled it across the balcony and over the end of the balcony. So I was scrambling, trying to catch the ball, and I missed it, and I just to tear up, and I had to wind up my yarn. I'm just wondering if anybody saw this yarn go over the balcony and look at watching me just wind up this ball of yarn from the second floor balcony. But we saved it. It's here. That was exciting. Not. Alright, I'm just trying to think. Man, I should probably show you my progress, because I'm working on a whip for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. That is hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. Also, remind me, I forgot to mention the Bod Hat. It's part of Bod Hat Palooza, and that is hosted by Laura at Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. And this was the Bod Hat for the week. Okay. Now for my the cardigan I'm working on for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. So this is, let's see, is this the one? Okay, so this is the one half that's, okay, so I got like both of these halves are done, but now I'm starting to work, I am starting to work on extending it. Okay, okay, we're getting to this. We sewed the top, we sewed where the shoulder and the sleeve's gonna go. Now I'm working on adding a gray and a red. This is like the top of it, extending it along the bottom. So I got the gray is almost done, and I'm gonna do a red on this side. And I'm gonna do that to both of these. So I gotta do it on this one yet. And then for this, to extend the sleeves, I'm going to start out doing also another row of gray and red on each end of the sleeve. And then we'll sew the two halves together and see if we need to do anything else to the cardigan, because there is no pattern. I'm just winging it, other than it's similar to my Stash Buster blanket. That's how the increases are going, like my blanket. More thunder. Okay. Trying to think if I got so many projects. I hope I didn't forget any, but finally, as always, I got the temperature scarf, which you'll see all year long. Just getting bigger and bigger. Now it's at the point where I can't get it all in there. But it's been warm. That's like 80s. There's the 70s in here, and there's the 60s, and pretty soon it's gonna go back to these colors. It's gonna get colder again. But yeah. You'll see it all year long. Just so you know, it is the chevron stitch. I have a pattern for that in the description. Hopefully I'll include all my other patterns. It says I don't have a video for like this one, but I do have a written tutorial for this. Though I did slightly alter the border, but for the most part, I got a written description for this scarf. Alright, I suppose I should wrap this up before my phone dies, because it's almost out of battery. And so forth. And like I said, I got a storm going on, and it's my bedtime. So, alright. If you did enjoy all my works in progress, or if you want to keep seeing the progress on all my stuff, especially stuff for the Mystery Yarn Challenge, please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. Okay, I just screwed up my ending. If you did like this video, please give it a like. See more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you always for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.